Alright, yo, so I'm coming at you with another one. We're gonna do... What the f is it called? What is it called? Stuffing, also known as dressing. But this one, it's a little bit different. It's got sausage in it. I guess it's more like a... And it's got cornbread. What? Like, I'm from New England, and I grew up in the Midwest. So we don't really put sausage in this stuffing, in the dressing, whatever you want to call it. But maybe it's like more like a southern play. Because they be fucking with sausage. Heavy. I just want to apologize to the South. It's not sausage that they're very fond of. It's the cornbread. That's what makes it southern, is the cornbread. But yeah, it's going to be good, yo. Because it's got the sausage. Anyways, yeah, that's it. We are going to make some dressing. Stuffing.
It's stuffing.
Do not try to stuff your bird with this, because that's just never put your hand in another creature's cavities. That's sick. Do not try to force this into a bird's cavity.
Alright, here we go. We got the bread. It's leftover bread, leftover little corn muffin things. You can just use regular cornbread. You can use whatever bread you want to. But you gotta use cornbread and white bread. We're just gonna break it up. You can use a knife to chop it, or you can just crumble it with your hands, tear it apart like I am. Then we're gonna throw it in the oven. The oven should be preheated to like 400, 425. Next we got the celery. We're gonna slice it down the middle. Slice it down the middle, then we're gonna dice it. I'm using 2 stalks. I like a lot of celery. I keep the leaves. The leaves got a lot of flavor, it's fine. Put that aside. Get an onion. This is a small onion, I'm only using half of it. You can use as much onion as you want, right? I'm dicing it very small, fine, because this is gonna, I'm not pre-cooking this stuff, I'm just gonna mix it in, you know? Alright, here we got the sage. This is your quintessential flavor, and we got some thyme. Thyme. Yep, slice the stuff up. Break that stuff down. You know how to break down the green. Alright, we got 1 single egg. We're gonna crack it, and then we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna break that egg up. We're gonna scramble that bad boy up. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Put it aside. Put everything aside. Now we got some Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage. Alright, we're gonna use like half of it. Just plop it into your pan, medium-high heat. Plop. Plop. Break it up into little chunks with a spoon, I guess. I don't know why I'm using a spoon. As you can tell from the intro, I am a man-child. This is no joke. So use a spoon. Alright, check your bread. It should be getting a little toasty, like halfway. Probably halfway there now, so mix it up, throw it back in. So we're just gonna let this sausage cook. Look, I'm using a real cooking implement now. Cook it, cook it. We're just trying to get it browned. It doesn't even have to be like 100% cooked. There we go, that's what we're looking for. A little bit of pink, but not really any. We're good. Stir it around a little bit. Turn off the heat. Now your breadcrumbs should be pretty good. Should be crispy. You see that? Cool. And I got like a 5x5 cooking pan here. I'm just gonna put some butter in on the bottom. We're gonna add in our bread. A crummy bread, delicious crummy bread. And we're gonna mix in the celery, the onions, the sage, the thyme. And look at that, the sausage too. Who would have thought? Yep, there you go. And put some more bread in there. Yeah. Look at all that beautiful bread. Put it in there. Add in your remaining vegetation. Now I'm gonna hit it with the chicken broth. You can use a can like I did. You can use the box. You can use your own homemade chicken broth. It don't matter. I'm probably putting like I don't know, a half a cup. Then I'm throwing the egg in. This is the main thing you need, the poultry seasoning. This is gonna put it over the top. It's got thyme, it's got sage, it's got a little nutmeg and pepper and garlic in there. Hit it with some salt if you'd like, and some more black pepper, because why not? Now we're gonna mix it with our hands. You gotta mix it with your hands. If you use a spoon, it's not gonna hit right. Look at that. Yeah, here we go. We're gonna hit the ASMR section right now. Let's add a little more butter if you'd like to. I know I did. And some more poultry seasoning. And we're gonna throw it in the oven. Listen to that, it's still sizzling. The butter's still sizzling. Nice and spongy in the middle. Listen to that. There you go, crispy on the edges. Still spongy in the middle, crispy on the edges. Not wet though.
Alright, yo, it's finished. Let's try some.
Let's try it.
Well, I'm gonna get burned. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, let's see. You know, it tastes almost exactly like regular classic stuffing, but better. Because it's got cornbread. It's hitting all those notes, you know what I'm talking about?
You know what I'm talking about?
The sage makes it taste like the holidays, you know what I'm saying? Sage is what you need. Let's try another bite. Let's make sure we get a little bit of everything in there. Let's see, look at that, look at that. You're never gonna go back to stovetop, let me tell you. Oh. Oh. It's so hot. Oh, it's so good. That's out of this world, bro. Make this for Thanksgiving, and like, I don't know, like maybe you're a weirdo and you got a cousin you're trying to mac on. You got a cousin you're trying to they are gonna fall in love with you over this one. Yeah, peace. But the sausage joke was funny though, right?